Hello YouTube, this is going to be an unboxing video. My mom brought this home for me. Let's see what's inside. It looks like it's something to do with elevators. Schindler. Let's see what we got. We got a nice bag. And it feels like there's stuff in there, so we'll have to check that out. Oh, we got a very nice tote. Another very nice tote. So 2 totes in a bag that might have stuff in it. And oh my, we got a lot of manuals here. Let's see what we all got. We got the Schindler 6400 NA, a complete modernization solution for mid-rise elevators. The Schindler 33A book. We'll have to look at that. The Schindler 3300. Hold on, that's my phone. That was Andrew, our diesel doocy, texting me. I think he might be at work right now, so we can't call him. And that one was the... Oh,